Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to find your Nothing phone today if you lost it somewhere in your room or house and you don't know where it is. So let's use our Google Assistant. Just say to the voice assistant, "Hey Google, where are you?"
Peekaboo. I'm over here.
So as you see, our Google Assistant answered us. Also, we can ask it to play any song or music, so our phone will start making a sound. If your Google Assistant doesn't respond, try shouting louder or getting closer to where you think you left the phone. For example, as we see here, sometimes we might hear a funny response from the phone. How to exit this mode? So once we found our phone, we can disable our Google Assistant through settings. So let's do that. Let's open up our settings here in your storage bar or in your Google tab, whatever would be easier for you. Let's use a Google tab, so tab here. Find your assistant settings, all services, scroll down to assistant settings. Let's find it here. Okay, here they are. Simply tap here. Now scroll down to your Google Assistant tab, Hey Google and Voice Match. You see it reacts really well. And here simply turn off your Hey Google option. Press OK, just like this. Now it turned off Hey Google. Nothing is happening, you see. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.